what seems to be the controversy that is now blowing up within the TMC, the trouble that seems to be mounting for the former Chief Minister of West Bengal, and this is a full-blown implosion of the TMC. Now, what we've accessed is a letter submitted by the rebels to the Speaker. And more you hear of the TMC leaders and the rebels, the more you actually realize that they may be upset with the party leadership, but they are not referring to Mamata Banerjee. So Mamata Banerjee is not that someone as the party leader that they have a problem with. Over the years, Mamata Banerjee increasingly depended on her nephew, which is Abhishek Banerjee, to operate the party. And this is something what is being said may have irked certain leaders of the TMC. Now, latest in the line is senior TMC MP and Mamata Banerjee's loyalist, Kalyan Banerjee. And the change in his statement that came in within 24 hours, it was shocking. Because now he seems to be putting the blame entirely on Abhishek Banerjee for what has been the fallout and the current conditions of the TMC and what the leaders are now facing. One by one, they seem to be deserting the party. अमित और सब्यसाची हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं। अमित, एक बार जानकारी दीजिए, क्योंकि सीधे तौर पे इशारा अब अभिषेक बैनर्जी की तरफ से है। जितने भी, चाहे वो एमएलएस हो, चाहे वो एमपीज हो, उन्हें ममता बनर्जी से कोई परेशानी नहीं है। वो चाहती है कि वो पार्टी को लीड करते रहे। लेकिन अभिषेक बैनर्जी, अब जिस तरह से कल्याण बैनर्जी का 24 घंटे के अंदर ही उनका बयान जिस तरह से बदला है, वो काफी शॉकिंग रहा है।
देखिए, ये शुरू से ही मैंने चुनाव नतीजों से पहले से भी अगर आप बात करिए किसी नेता से, किसी एमपी से, तो उनका यही कहना था कि इस पार्टी में असली जो समस्या की वजह है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ अभिषेक बनर्जी है। और ममता बनर्जी से नाराजगी क्यों? क्योंकि ममता बनर्जी किसी दूसरे की बात सुनते नहीं है। कोई भी अगर अपनी बात रखते हैं तो पहली तो उनसे मुलाकात नहीं होती है, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात कि अभिषेक पर आंख बंद कर भरोसा करते थे। अभिषेक बनर्जी का डिक्टेटरशिप, अभिषेक बनर्जी का इग्नोरेंस, एरोगेंसी और अभिषेक बनर्जी का किसी को कोई कुछ ना समझना। वो एक छोटे जो कार्यकर्ता छोड़िए, जो बहुत सालों से ममता के साथ थे, ममता के साथ लड़ाई लड़ी थी लेफ्ट के साथ, उन नेताओं को ना वो इज्जत मिली, ना वो तवज्जो मिली। और आप कह सकते हैं यहाँ तक कि सायोनी घोष, सायोनी से के जो नजदीकी है, वो भी कहते हैं कि पिछले 4-5 सालों से 1-to-1 कोई मीटिंग नहीं हुई। किसी पार्टी के कार्यक्रम में आप जा सकते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि वो किसी सांसद से किसी मिलते हो। यहाँ तक कि पार्लियामेंट सेशन के दौरान भी वो सांसदों से मिलने जुलने में अवॉइड करते थे। तो ये नाराजगी जो है, ये ममता बनर्जी के साथ नहीं है, ये नाराजगी दिखती है। सबकी जो नाराजगी है कि आज पार्टी का जो ये हाल हुआ है, उसके पीछे सीधे सीधे अभिषेक बनर्जी है। और ये जो चिट्ठियां हैं, जो एक्सक्लूसिव तस्वीर स्क्रीन पर टाइम्स नाउ के दिख रहा है, जिसमें 19 सांसदों के हस्ताक्षर है। और सबसे बड़ी बात, आईसी नंबर है। कोई जो होता है ना कि कई बार आप कहते हैं कि सिग्नेचर गलत हो गया, यहाँ पे आईसी नंबर, जो कि हर सांसद को एक आईसी नंबर, स्पेशल नंबर मिलता है, जो कि उनकी पहचान होती है, वो हर किसी ने अपने आईसी नंबर के साथ लिखा है। और सीधी सी बात है कि ये जो नाराजगी है, ये कोई एक दिन की नहीं है। कोई पार्टी इतनी जल्दी नहीं टूटती है। इसका मतलब साफ था कि लोगों के मन में गुस्सा था, लोगों के मन में नाराजगी है। और आज भी देखिए, ममता बनर्जी को लेकर जब मेरी सुष्मिता देव से बात हो रही थी, काकुली से बात हुई, कुछ और सांसदों, सबका यही कहना था कि उनकी पर्सनल नाराजगी कोई ममता बनर्जी को नहीं है। ममता बनर्जी आज भी बड़ी लीडर है, आज भी फाइटर है, और उनको लेकर समस्या नहीं है। लेकिन दिक्कत यह है कि पार्टी के भीतर जो तमाम गड़बड़ियां हो रही थी, जो सिंडिकेट चल रहा था,
वो बोल रहे हैं कि जिस तरीके से एक तरह के डिक्टेटरशिप जो अभिषेक बैनर्जी पार्टी के अंदर ही चलाते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, वो उससे काफी नाखुश है। और ममता बनर्जी के जो लॉयलिस्ट है, हमने 2 दिन पहले देखा है कि कल्याण बनर्जी जो फ्रंट कर रहे हैं टीएमसी को, ममता बनर्जी को, वो खुद ही पार्टी लीडर्स के खिलाफ, अभिषेक बनर्जी के खिलाफ बोलते हुए नजर आए थे। पर आप जो लेटर की बात कर रहे हैं अमित, एक बार we'll just go across to Akansha and she'll help us understand. These are handwritten letters, signatures there with the IC number of the TMC MPs.
Absolutely. Let me take you through the handwritten letter and the names that are mentioned there. They're very important. Kakuli Ghosh, Chief Whip. Their numbers are also written here. Shatabdi Roy, Bapi Haldar, Sharmila Sarkar Prasun, and also Jagadish Burman, Asit Kumar, Arup, and also let me also give you more details. You have Abu Tahir Khan, Yusuf Pathan, Mithali Bagh, and Mala Roy, and also mentioned here is Sayuni Ghosh, and at last, in fact, mentioned here is Rachna Banerjee. All of these are rebel TMC MPs who are saying that they are in fact asli TMC. So these are the 20 names that have been mentioned in this handwritten letter.
Right. Sabyasachi, 19 or 20 names. What are we now looking at? These signatures that are now coming across in this letter seems to have been submitted to the speaker.
So far what we are gathering that in that letter, if you see 18 names are there, but the sources tell us 19 signatures so far has been collected. 2 more signatures are pending, and in the coming days 2 more signatures will be collected. Now, what is interesting is that the Mamata Banerjee establishment has been claiming that there is no letter, there is no MP who have extended their support to Kakali Ghosh Dostidar, but all their claims completely falls flat because the letter clearly cites the IC number, which is the numbers given to the Member of Parliament for their identification. Now, as per the sources, this letter was given to the Lok Sabha Speaker on 18th May. So that also rejects the claim which has coming in from Mamata Banerjee establishment that they had given the letter to Lok Sabha Speaker stating that Kalyan Banerjee will be the Chief Whip. But this letter was submitted before, because before Kalyan Banerjee, Kakali Ghosh Dostidar was the Chief Whip of the Trinamool Congress, and she will continue to do so, as the rebel MPs have been maintaining that the letter that was given by Mamata Banerjee establishment stating that Kalyan Banerjee will be the new Chief Whip, that letter has not been been given acceptance by the Lok Sabha Speaker's office. So the rebel MPs claim that right now they have support of nearly 20 MPs, and in the coming days their number could increase more. And as per the sources, 19 signatures have been collected. On the paper there are 18 signatures.
Amit, because Amit, अगर ये जानकारी मिल रही है कि ये स्पीकर के सामने अगर ये लेटर सबमिट कर दिया गया है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? या क्या अपने आप को असली टीएमसी आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज द मोर यू हियर फ्रॉम द टीएमसी लीडर्स एंड द रेबेल्स, the more realizes that they may be upset with the party leadership, but they are not referring here to Mamata Banerjee. So over the years, Mamata Banerjee was increasingly depended on her nephew Abhishek Banerjee, and what seems to have irked the TMC leaders, and this seems to be in the latest line that the senior TMC MP and Mamata Banerjee loyalist Kalyan Banerjee also has taken on Abhishek Banerjee and the role that he seems to be playing within the party leadership. So Sabya, till the time Amit is getting connected with us, just talk about if this letter is taken up with the Speaker, the acceptance, and then what really happens, because 19 is itself in a very significant number. That means that this is a significant jump of the majority of the TMC MLAs to the rebel camp. MPs, I beg your pardon.
Well, absolutely. See, they will get all sort of protection from the anti-defection law as far as the legal battle is concerned. They will be considered as the real Trinamool Congress, so that we can see the party symbol also going with the rebel MPs. So legally, they have all the protection from the anti-defection law, as well as the legal battle that will be lying ahead of the rebel MPs. Now the rebel MPs led by Kakali Ghosh Dostidar, and the list which Times Now has exclusively accessed, in that list around 18 names are there, and beside these names it is written that Kakali Ghosh Dostidar is the Chief Whip, Shatabdi Roy will be the deputy leader, and what we are learning from the sources
by the Speaker's office. I mean, Sabyasachi, this is where it will get interesting. If it is, then that means that this would be a certain recognition that is being given to this faction of the TMC.
Well, absolutely. See, the recognition that the rebel MPs need, they have already got it, because what my sources are telling me is that in the coming days the number could also increase further, because the talks are continuously going on. Though from the Mamata Banerjee establishment, efforts are also being made to contact the rebel MPs, to talk to them, to try to make sure that they do not jump to Kakali Ghosh Dostidar camp. But the problem is not that simple. Every single MP that I have spoken with, every single member of parliament had a problem with Abhishek Banerjee. Yesterday we all saw what happened with Kalyan Banerjee, and Mr. Kalyan Banerjee highlighted that what is the core problem as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned, what exactly caused this situation of the Trinamool Congress. So until and unless Mamata Banerjee fixes that particular issue, more number of legislators, more number of MPs from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are going to distance themselves from Abhishek Banerjee and Mamata Banerjee in the coming days. But as far as the rebel MPs are concerned. They were here in the national capital. Several meetings happened in the national capital at the residence of Bhupender Yadav. We had seen that Kakuli Ghosh Dostida, Shahini Ghosh. There was another meeting day before yesterday, late in the night, which my sources say around 6 to 7.
How are they going to be now identified in the parliament? I mean, are they still going to run with the name of the TMC as their party? Or what are we now looking at? Because if this is something, then it is challenged. But Mamata Banerjee is left with very few MPs for the representation in parliament, because TMC is one of the biggest opposition parties that is represented in the parliament. So what are we now looking as far as the identification of the rebel faction is concerned?
Well, the rebel faction says that they have gathered nearly 20 signatures, and they are confident that in the coming days the number is going to increase. But Mamata Banerjee establishment, they are claiming that they are also in continuous touch with the rebel MPs. Yesterday, I have spoken exclusively to Mr. Kirti Azad, who made this claim that 3 of the MPs who have put their signature in the letter, 3 of these MPs now want to take.
Let me take up that question to Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP joining us here on the broadcast. Shehzad, good morning. The fight between Asli TMC and the faction of the TMC, which is represented by Mamata Banerjee, most of the signatories in this handwritten letter that seems to be submitted to the speaker are of the opinion that they have no problem with Mamata Banerjee. It is a heavy dependence on Abhishek Banerjee that seems to have worked them.
जो राम रची राखा, देखिए, those who impose परिवारवाद on their party, ये तो होना ही था. Until yesterday, everyone was saying, किधर है MP का letter, किधर है MP का letter. Now the praman has been put out by Times now. There are signatures of all the MPs are there. So Lok Sabha MPs are also saying we are the Asli TMC. Vidhan Sabha MLAs are saying we are Asli TMC. Raj Sabha MPs are quitting. Abhishek Banerjee and Mamata Banerjee are isolated. And yesterday the pinnacle is that when Kalyan Banerjee is openly saying that the real reason for this state of affairs is Abhishek Banerjee and his arrogance. And in fact, Navika Kumar has interviewed Kalyan Banerjee yesterday. So now what is left? Unfortunately, people are still blaming BJP. They can, but then you can live in Delulu. But the real Solulu is removing Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. But they don't want to get rid of Abhishek. Mamta का जो ममता है अभिषेक के लिए, इसके लिए पार्टी टूट गया. अब उसमें क्या किया जा सकता है?
All right. Thank you. Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP joining us, saying that this was imminent as far as what the TMC has been facing, and this seems to be a real and a virtual split that the TMC now seems to be staring at. Because then what happens with the future of the TMC, Sabyasachi? What are we now looking as far as, because there are certain talks and rumors that has been also taking place of a possible buzz of, a merger? If that is possible, what are we now hearing?
Well, see, the merger claims are absolutely false because when the merger speculation was going around, Times Now clearly told the viewers that highly placed sources within the Abhishek Banerjee camp have denied that no such discussion had taken place. And yesterday, Mr. K.C. Venugopal also during the press conference rejected the claim that no such discussion had taken place at the meeting of Abhishek Banerjee and Mr. Rahul Gandhi. But what has taken place is the possible alliance of the Trinamool Congress and the Congress party in the state of West Bengal because they want that they should project a united front and take on the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state of West Bengal, starting right from the local polls to the upcoming Lok Sabha polls in 2026. So we can see the Trinamool Congress and the Congress party fighting together in the state of West Bengal. And what we have learned from the sources that Sonia Gandhi also told Mamata Banerjee that they are adversaries and they are not rivals. So in the coming days, Trinamool Congress and the Congress party need to fight together any polls in the state of West Bengal. But there is very limited option as far as Mamata Banerjee has in front of her because the party is continuously breaking. You have on one hand the legislators whose number have increased to 64 or the rebel MPs. Their numbers are continuously increasing. 2 more signatures are pending. Out of 13 Rajya Sabha MPs, 3 of them have resigned and more could resign in the coming days, what sources also confirm. More trouble for Mamata Banerjee because because the only option right now she has is to approach the Calcutta High Court or the Supreme Court against the rebel MPs and the legislators to seek some sort of relief. But yesterday we have seen that the Calcutta High Court had rejected the petition of the Trinamool Congress establishment, stating that Ritubroto Banerjee can lead to be the leader of opposition as far as West Bengal Assembly is concerned. So for Mamata Banerjee, on one hand, the party leaders, not one, but every single one of them coming out and speaking against Abhishek Banerjee, but continuously Mamata Banerjee has been supporting Abhishek Banerjee time and again. A lot of the MPs have said that there was a barrier in front of Mamata Banerjee. They could not access, they did not have access to Mamata Banerjee, or did not have access to the ministers in Kolkata. Their appointment was cancelled. Their appointment was not given. The ministers in important decision making.
You know, even within the rebel camp, because Sabyasachi, as you pointed out, the other faction is also trying to convince them that come back. I mean, if there are issues that you want to raise, and that would be sorted out. We've heard that coming in from Shatrughan Sinha as well, saying that Didi is facing, you know, time which is not good for her, and he's not ready to desert her during these troubling times. So this is something when it comes to the decider, the factor that is now concerned within a certain faction of the TMC, they're still very much for now showing that they are with Mamata Banerjee, but Sabya, it would be unclear to suggest that, you know, they may change their decision in the coming days.
Well, absolutely. See, the numbers could only increase because right now the Mamata Banerjee establishment, as per the sources, has around eight MPs with them. But that number could also decrease because the claims that are coming out from Mamata Banerjee establishment is that they are also in continuous touch. They have been rejecting every single list or every single names that has been coming out. They say that this is nothing but BJP propaganda, and all the rebel MPs have the support of 14 and not a single MP more, and we have the numbers with us, so we will win. So these were the claims made by the Mamata Banerjee establishment.
But those who have also resigned, Sabyasachi, what about their future? I mean, are they expected now to jump ship to join another political party? Because as far as when it comes to the parliamentary representation is concerned, the numbers are altering now. So what happens with those? Because more resignations, as you said, is expected.
Well, absolutely. More resignations are expected because in Lok Sabha there are 28 MPs of the Trinamool Congress, and one MP from Bashirhat passed away in 2024. Now the numbers that the rebel MPs have been putting across, which Kakuli Ghosh Dosidar have been telling that nearly 20 MPs have signed the signature. Now this letter was submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker on 18th May, which has signatures of 18 members. So right now what we are learning from the sources is that 19...
All right, let me connect with Mr. Amitav Roy joining us on the broadcast from the BJP. Sir, good morning. What are we looking at within the TMC, this implosion, sir? Now you have the signatures with the IC number as far as the identification of the MPs are concerned, and this seems to be a letter that has now been submitted also to the Speaker's office. So here you have the proof which the TMC was questioning exactly when it comes to the signatories.
Good morning, everybody. It is likely, as you have seen for the couple of days, there's what TMC's situation is now. Because few days before the election, our state president, Mr. Samik Bhattacharya, had said that TMC would crumble and become history in West Bengal within a month after the polls. That is happening today. Every day we are seeing that cut money and scam in every department and every corner in West Bengal is happening. The people who were with Mrs. Mamata Banerjee, when she fought with the CPM and the Maoists, against the Maoists to bring development, but everybody is seeing the color was changed from red to TMC. No development was done for the last 15 years. So people deliberately wanted a real change and bring Sonar Bangla back to its position. Now the double engine government from the state and the center will do surely the development.
Yes.
And the people and the leaders of the TMC who surely want development for the state, say they won't be with Abhishek Banerjee or Mamata Banerjee. So
Right, sir.
such things should happen. That is the inner politics of TMC. We are not at all interested what they are doing. So TMC would, I think, after a month,
Well, sir, then the meeting
Would
seems
no-
to be happening with the union ministers and also with the chief ministers of states, especially when it comes to the Rajya Sabha MPs who have now resigned from the TMC. So that clearly would also put the focus on the BJP's role here as well. But thank you very much, Mr. Roy, for your point of view. Akansha, this is in black and white. The signatures are there, the IC numbers are there, and this is exactly what identifies the TMC MPs who have now written to the Speaker.
Absolutely. Their names, membership IDs, and also their signatures are here in black and white, as you also mentioned. Let me take you through their names. Once again, you have Kakuli Ghosh Dasidar, Chief Whip, who's the first name that has been mentioned here, Shatabdi Roy, and Bapi Haldar, Sharmila Sarkar, Prasun Bandopadhyay, Jagadish Barman Basunia, Asit Kumar, Arup Chakrabarti, and also we are learning Khalilur Rahman, Abu Tahir Khan, Yusuf Pathan, Mitali Bagh, you have Mala Roy as well, and second last name is Sayuni Ghosh, and also lastly Rachna Banerjee. So all of these names, their signatures, their membership ID, that has been mentioned in this handwritten letter that has been submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker, in which they are claiming that they are in fact the real TMC, and this is in fact the proof in black and white, right here of the leaders, the TMC leaders rebelling against
So
Mamata
19
Banerjee.
are the signatories as far as this letter which has now been submitted to this Speaker, and 19, this number is very significant as far as now it seems that more than that, two-third majority we are looking of the TMC MPs there who identify themselves as the Asli TMC and as far as the representation in Parliament is concerned. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for that information. Akansha, thank you very much to you as well. We're going to head into a very short break. You're watching Timestamp.